Guys, I have the most beautiful case I have ever seen for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is the Caudabe Sheath in the eucalyptus colorway, which for me is absolutely beautiful. Now, I have used this case for the last few days, so this is a re-unboxing, but we have this eucalyptus elemental collection color. Here we go. Boom. Look at the texture on this case. I am absolutely infatuated with Caudabe. And this is absolutely one of my favorite cases for the S25 Ultra. I love this beautiful texture. I love how the camera cutouts are individually cut out as opposed to one large cutout. I love how this case comes with metal buttons that do come with a secret feature. I love the texture of this case. I love the cutouts. It's absolutely beautiful. And then on the inside of the case, you have a MagSafe ring and you have a really nice textured backing so you don't scratch your phone up. So let's grab our S25 Ultra. This is the titanium white silver. Pop it in here. So first thing you notice is how tight it fits around the edges on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And the edges themselves are very tight on the phone itself. So you're not going to have those situations where the phone case comes loose in your pocket. It's a huge pet peeve of mine. And you also notice the amazing texture. So I don't even know what to call this texture, but it is absolutely beautiful. This green complements the black accent rings perfectly. I like how it has this little strip here for decor on the case. You have their little branding icon there. You have really nice cutouts for the charger, speaker, and S Pen. And speaking of the S Pen, I've had no issues the last few days accessing the S Pen. Perfect cutout there. The clean side here. You've got a lip that rides all around the front of the screen. And it's not very large to where you feel it, but it is still very protective. And as you see here, the cameras sit 100% flush. Beautiful. And like I mentioned earlier, you have these green middle buttons here that feel amazing. Now, this screen is perfect, of course. These green buttons are perfect, of course. But this case has interchangeable buttons. And this screen is going to look perfect with these gold buttons here. So I've got my 3 buttons. I've got the case. Let's go ahead and take this off. I will say this case fits so tight. It's a little hard to take off, which I'm not mad at all. But you've got your buttons here. You poke them out just with your finger. And then you can put the new ones in. It's not very hard to do right there. There you go. And guys, look at the green and gold accents. Beautiful. Take our white phone again, click it in, and there you go. Guys, what a absolute clean case. I like how this material is, it's like a sandblast. It's the best way to explain it. It is so grippy. I love Caudabe's cases and the grip that they give you, along with still feeling pretty light. This material is very light. The S25 Ultra itself is not a heavy phone, and this case does not add much weight at all. Like I said, this is MagSafe compatible, so we'll just try just a random battery pack here, and it works. Now, of course, depending on how large your magnetic product is, it could cover that camera, but it definitely works. And the magnets are very strong. So great job, Caudabe. I will leave a link in the description for this case for you guys to check it out. Whenever you go on there, you can check, and there are a lot of different color buttons you can get. Now on mine, what I'm going to do is the power button as an accent color, and then leave the other 2 back to green, just like this. This is my perfect setup. It's kind of like the old Google Pixel days where you had an accented power button. There you go. Perfect clickability. So yeah, guys, this is absolutely one of my favorites. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.